Welcome back to your official pregame habit, kapamilya. This is Upfront at the UAAP. Ako po si Marco Gumabaw.
Ako po si Adi Manzano.
At ako naman po si Bea Daes, mga kapamilya. Sa di po nakanood, sa Game 1 po nanalo ang NU Lady Bulldogs kontra sa Adamson Lady Falcons in 3 straight sets to end their 3-game losing streak. That is a very big confidence booster for NU and a much-needed win to start the second round strong. Dahil kung titingnan po natin ang standings, dikit-dikit po lahat ng mga teams to get that Final Four slot.
Yes, that's right. And congratulations to our player of the game from National University, Myla Pablo, with 13 points, with 9 tacks, 1 block, and 3 service aces.
Yes, so guys, congratulations nga pala sa NU Lady Bulldogs for winning in 3 straight sets. At mamaya po, susunod na laban po natin ang Ateneo Lady Eagles at ang UP Lady Maroons.
But for now, it's time to read your answers to our Twitter question of the day. Kakasimula lang po ng round 2, pero nung round 1, madaming surpresang naganap, kaya gusto po namin malaman kung ano ba ang mga twists o unexpected highlights sa UAAP Season 78 ang nagulat sa inyo. Ayan.
Yes, for our first tweet, we have from Ansel. Ang nakakagulat na nangyari sa UAAP ay yung malabomba na palo ni Rondina. Galing niya. So, kaya pala they refer to Cherry Rondina as Cherry Bomb Rondina, diba guys?
Yes, and for our second tweet, it is from Angelo Carpio. Ang mga gumulat sa akin ay ang mga matitinding serve ng DLSU. But Ateneo is still the best. Yan.
Our next tweet is from Daniela Hinaniban. Nung gumaling na ang UP kesa last year at nung natalo ang DLSU against UST at NU.
Our fourth tweet is from John Cabanilla Nimer. Ang pag-convert kay Rivera from spiker to libero, straight set loss ng Ateneo at straight set win ng UST kontra LaSalle.
Yes, and for our next tweet, it is from Joe. UST's win over LaSalle, but never really doubted UST's strength. UST is coming together at the right time.
And last but not least, from Alan Ildefonso. Great twist, yung super rookies ng UP Lady Fighting Maroons, they are playing like pros and they will definitely be tested in their game today against the defending champions, the Ateneo Lady Eagles.
Yeah, so guys, maraming salamat mga kapamilya, and stay connected via Twitter and Instagram po. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tweets nyo. Ako naman po si Marco Gumabaw.
See you all again on Wednesday only here on your favorite pregame habit. Ako po si Adi Manzano.
At ako naman po si Bea Daes. Game 2 is up next. We are your exclusive source on all things great about the UAAP. This has been
Upfront at the UAAP.